Bella the star felt so small.
All aboard the infotainment train.
Hop on the infotainment train where fun and facts unite. We'll journey through the knowledge land, morning, noon, and night. From science to stories and everything between. The infotainment train will make our minds clean. Infotainment train, rolling down the tracks with laughter all the way. Infotainment train, learning and fun. Let's start today. Math is like a puzzle, let's solve it with delight. Counting up the treasures in the starry night. Letters come together, making words so bright. Books and tales bring our dreams to life. Infotainment train, rolling down the tracks with laughter all the way. Infotainment train, learning and fun. Let's start today. Every stop's a new adventure with wonders to see. Animals and planets and the vast blue sea. We'll discover the world and all its hidden gold. The infotainment train, where stories are told. Science is amazing with experiments so cool. Mixing up potions in our fun-filled school. History's full of heroes from long, long ago. Adventures and lessons help us grow. Infotainment train, rolling down the tracks with laughter all the way. Infotainment train, learning and fun. Let's start today. So come on, kids, let's take a ride on the infotainment train with fun as our guide. Every fact and lesson we'll keep in our brain. Until next time on the infotainment train. Choo choo. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you soon.
Thank you for watching the video. My dear children, you are all my friends, so please subscribe to my channel.